Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we all know that we have started the 60-day profit challenge. Starting this Monday, we are diving into the world of trading and exploring how it can be transform our lives through smart investment. But before we begin, it's essential to understand what we need to have in place before we even think about hitting the trading floor. So let's get started. Setting the stages. To begin this challenge, we must first lay the groundwork. Trading isn't a casual hobby, it's an investment strategy that can change our financial future. So, let's talk about what we need to prepare. In this, there's a 3 point, that is knowledge, capital, and trading plan. Let's talk about the knowledge. First and foremost, knowledge is power in the world of trading. Take time to educate yourself about different marketing strategies and risk management techniques. Read books, follow financial news, and consider taking course to gain expertise. Next topic is capital. Trading requires capital. The money you will invest, ensure you have a dedicated amount set aside for trading, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Managing your capital wisely is very crucial in trading. And the last point is trading plan. A trading plan is like your roadmap. It's outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Make sure you have a well thought out plan before you start trading. It will keep you on track. And now let's talk about the another point, that is how trading can transform lives. Now that we have covered the essentials, so let's dive into the trading can change our lives through investment. In this, there is a 3 points, that is financial freedom, flexibility, and wealth accumulations. Let's talk about the financial freedom. Trading has the potential to provide financial freedom by making informed decisions and growing your capital. You can achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, buy expensive cars, or retire early. The next point is flexibility. Trading offers flexibility in terms of when and where you work. You are not tied to a 9 to 5 job, giving you the freedom to design your schedule and spend more time with your loved ones. And the third point is wealth accumulations. As your trading skills improve, so does your potential for wealth accumulations. Compound interest and smart investment can lead to a sustained wealth over time. So there you have it. We have discussed what you need to place in before you start trading and how trading can be a transformative investment in your life. Join me this Monday as we're kicking off this exciting journey together. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our any update. Until then, stay tuned, stay informative, and get ready to transform your life through trading. Thank you.